HCL's Total Experience platform offers solutions to boost customer satisfaction, simplify processes, reduce cost and complexity. To bring this to life, let's start by showing you one scenario, the journey of an app that our TX platform can enable with our powerful capabilities for no-code, low-code, content management systems and digital asset management, digital experience platforms, and data integration. In our Woodburn eGov storyline, an entertainment company regularly applies for a public entertainment license from Woodburn Gov's Parks Department. Let me introduce you to Francesca, the business owner of FD Entertainment. Annually, she organizes more than 200 events. Today, Francesca's on the phone and sending emails to the Woodburn Parks Department to get her event licenses. Over the past 30 years, creating apps have undergone a dramatic transformation, moving from simple spreadsheet tools to sophisticated platforms that shape our daily lives. In our example, it's an entertainment license for an event at a local state park. We can do much better with the latest tools that are designed to be used by those in the business with little to no IT skills. One of the capabilities of the HCL TX platform is no-code application development. It can transform a spreadsheet into a standard way to digitize the approval process, capture data, add reporting, and protect personal data. Some examples could be badging applications, uniform ordering, event registration apps, asset tracking, and office cleaning surveys. Let's say this permit license tracking spreadsheet is used across many parks and is changed regularly as new vendors make requests for varied event types. Many organizations start their business transformation by removing the spreadsheet and digitizing the paper process. With hundreds of state government departments ranging from social services to revenue to transportation wanting to transform their paper processes, the solution needs to scale in terms of users, who is developing, and the number of processes supported. In our experience, it's likely to be more than 150 departments and thousands of services to be digitized. The next logical step, after creating the process and the form, is to publish the no-code app for any entertainment company to submit their license requests. This form is accessible from the Woodburn eGov portal by business owners such as Francesca and managed by Parks admin staff who own the process. The Parks department can add business logic, add security and add governance to the solution, and make it available to other systems and services as a component, and even accept credit card payments. The portal and no-code app work seamlessly together. One of the many features of the TX platform means the entertainment company could add their own content to promote their events, such as a flyer on a related events page on the eGov site. Also, as a public safeguard, only businesses registered within the state can apply for an event license. This business information must be accessed from Woodburn's government complex IT landscape, which includes mainframe systems, custom apps, and SaaS solutions. With TX, everything is in the box to solve this problem. One of the core values of Total Experience is fostering engagement and participation from citizens and employees as part of the overall service delivery. Our park rangers are out in the parks daily educating people and keeping them safe. We don't want to burden them with paper forms and laptops. Hence, giving them mobile devices with apps supporting the event license booking process makes sense. The HCL TX platform contains multi-experience low-code capabilities. It enables professional developers to create pixel-perfect, highly functional applications and business processes on any device. Our HCL TX platform can create apps for field services, inspections, benefits, production management, inventory, and dashboards, to name just a few. With the idea of going mobile, Woodburn Parks Department wants to validate when a vendor arrives at a park by showing their entertainment license and recording the event location with start and finish times. This is where a low-code app and process comes in. Upon receiving confirmation of her license for an event on the eGov Parks portal, Francesca checks in with the arranger to set up her event. Upon arrival, she can immediately show her event license on her mobile phone as a QR code. The ranger can use this mobile app to validate the license to check her in, update the license with an active status and the geolocation position. By recording this status, it progresses the workflow and status of the license to check in, so it's transparent to all. One of the values of the Total Experience platform is to create self-service apps and experiences that are consistent across every department, even with a single sign-on. Using the capabilities of the platform, the mobile app is accessible not just via the website and mobile, but also by information center kiosks or apps for all state workers and citizens for each government service. Now we've added the ranger to the story. We can validate the process and collect real-time information on a Google map. Also, which parks have active or upcoming events. For example, when a ranger comes on shift, they can see immediately the business owner's details and what events are upcoming on their phone. The same goes for the business owner, Francesca. Lastly, at any point, the Parks Department can report on their monthly events and licenses given or denied in an easy-to-use dashboard by any dimension such as a vendor or park or event type. Let's recap what we saw with TX in our Woodburn Parks example. We modernized a business process by taking an existing Excel spreadsheet and cumbersome email process and created a new automation, mobile app, and new eGov portal service in just a few hours rather than weeks or months. We showed a governed platform for citizen development that's fast to adopt and reduces the risk on data privacy issues. Lastly, we saw how technology brings the business owner, park admin, and ranger into a single customer and employee experience. So, what's next? Let's show you another eGov scenario. To do that, let's hear from Kyle about the journey of an experience.
Let's jump into the journey of an experience. A beautiful Figma is one thing, but to make it a living experience on your website is another. It needs to be easy to construct a page, add the content, and then make sure it shows up at the right stage in the customer journey. Let me show you how to do that with our Total Experience platform. Let's start in the construct phase and begin our story. Woodburn Island government wants to drive its citizens and visitors to a beautiful and underutilized lake called Stillwater Lake. Mandy, a content creator, receives a Figma file for a design of a page that is going to drive more people to this location. Mandy, with our Total Experience tooling, has access to over 130 web components that she can drag and drop on the page to match that Figma design. Now, Mandy, who also notices that one of the web components needs a bit of an update, opens it up in the Presentation Designer, makes that simple UI tweak, and everything is updated and looks exactly like the Figma design. Danielle, the designer, notices that the overall design of the website needs an update. She simply opens it up in Figma, makes the necessary changes that automatically update the website for review. Mandy and Danielle were able to go from design to real experience on the website in just a few minutes. Using these tools with our Total Experience platform can create pages up to 85% faster. And more importantly, the right people within your organization are creating those experiences. And did you notice that? No developers and no IT were involved in creating that vibrant experience. Let's move from the construct stage into creating vibrant content. With our rich practitioner tooling, it's a breeze. Last year, we showed you how we leverage AI to assist in content creation. For updating content on the website, we have rich inline WYSIWYG editing. For headless scenarios, we have the Content Composer. And with our profile service, you can bring personalities to life. In our example, that personality is the park ranger for the Stillwater Lake. The profile is chock full of details about the park ranger that brings a personal touch to an overall e-government experience. Now that we have this beautiful page built, let's customize the experience so that this beautiful page shows up at the right time in the customer journey. With an eGov website that has a vast number of services such as paying your taxes, renewing licenses. How do you find those users that are not only interested in fishing, but have an upcoming vacation? By leveraging our customer data platform, a CDP, and a total experience module, we can first identify those users and then build a tailored experience so that page shows up at just the right time. Let's take a look. The CDP collects every click by a user and uses AI to put users in segments based on their behavior. When this user, Zach, searches on perch fishing, we know that we can tailor fishing content towards him. We can see various customer journeys as they navigate the website, and we see various funnels as customers transition from segment to segment. Now back on the homepage, as Mandy, I can leverage AI to help me create a personalization rule that ensures people like Zach find Stillwater Lake. And now, as I log in as Zach, right there on the main page is a piece of personalized content directing me to Stillwater Lake. Pretty powerful stuff. But more importantly, by leveraging a CDP, you can increase conversion rates by 2 to 4 times. All of this is running in our new, born in the cloud, and fully composable lightweight DXP offering called DX Compose. It's the perfect solution for building lightweight self-service experiences, content-centric websites, and in headless content scenarios such as omnichannel marketing and composable commerce sites, it's a great fit there too. It's a new way to build experiences your customers will love. You can go from design to experience in minutes. We have multiple modern app dev options. We have low-code tooling. We support modern web frameworks like React and Vue. And you can also unleash your citizen developers with our no-code tooling. All of this integrates with our data integration services that has over 350 data and service integration points. And most importantly, that can cut down development time by over 50%. And lastly, DX Compose is fully composable. You scale to what you need and only turn on the capabilities that you require. For our existing customers, you can get started with DX Compose right now as it is available in our early access program. We will continue to invest and update our current DX products, including getting access to our new 130 web components. And lastly, we will release updates in 2025 that will allow you to move your sites to DX Compose when you are ready. We're very excited about the launch of our Total Experience platform and DX Compose. We look forward to hearing from you.